Manual work order wrap-ups can be slow, inconsistent, and error-prone, leading to missed details and delayed updates. With DreamzCMMS, that process becomes effortless. Our AI-powered work order completion summary enables technicians to generate clean, structured summaries instantly right from the mobile app. Whether they type or use voice input, our intelligent engine transforms brief notes into polished professional summaries complete with key action points. For example, after completing a task like fixing a broken pipe, the technician simply enters a note such as, "Located the broken pipe and shut off the water supply," and taps, "Get AI Summary." In seconds, a well-organized report is generated, ready for review, sharing, and record-keeping. Technicians can also collect digital signatures and enter status notes within the same workflow, streamlining job closeouts and ensuring accuracy. With DreamzCMMS, reduce admin time, improve reporting, empower your workforce.